Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start with our 7th chapter circles. Problem set 28. First, draw circles with the radii given below. So first is 2 centimeter. This is known as the compass through which we are going to draw the circle. So what we have to do here? This is a compass, this is a pencil. We have to put our pencil in this hole. The pencil should be pointed. See here. We will put it like this, and we have to see that both the ends of the pointer and the pencil should be equal. And then we have to tighten up the pencil. Observe this. You can see here they are in a straight line. Understood? Then we have to expand it and we have to measure it 2 centimeter with the help of the scale. Now this is our scale and we will measure the 2 centimeter. This is centimeter, this is 0, 1 and 2. So we have to start from the 0. Understood? So here this is 2. And then we have to bring pencil to the point 0. Can you see here? Yes. See here, this is 2 and we are bringing it near to the 0. So this is our measurement. So this is now this is 2 centimeter. We are not going to increase or decrease it. We have measured it with the pencil. Now we'll put it at a point and we are going to hold it like this up. Understood? And keeping like this, we are going to draw the, see here, draw the circle. Can you observe it? See, this is the pointer and I am drawing the circle. Understood? So this way we have drawn the circle. So now we know the point here. This is the point. Understood? So from point to this circumference we are going to draw the line, and this line is known as the radius. Understood? So we'll write here 2 centimeter. So our circle is of 2 centimeter and this is the radii. Understood? Now we'll do the second. Second is 4 centimeter. So we will take the compass at 4. This is the 4 and bring it towards the 0. Understood? Now we'll take one point here. For example, this is, I'll take it as a center. So I'll keep the compass here up. On the pointer should be at the point and the pencil should be outside, through which we can draw the circumference of the circle. See here, have I drawn this circle? Yes. How perfect it comes? This way you are going to draw the circle. See. Now I am joining the point and the circumference. Now I'll write here 4 centimeter. This is the radii. Understood? So now whenever this is the from pointer to the circumference, that is the radius, and from one circumference when it goes to the second we call it as the diameter. Understood? Now we'll draw the third circle. Third circle, the measurement of third circle is how much? Third question, 3 centimeter. Understood? So what we will do? We'll take the pointer and measure it with scale. We want how much? 3 centimeter. Yes, this is 3. Then I'll take here one point here, so I'll make it darker with the pencil. This is my point on which I am going to put the pointer. Now I'll draw the 3 centimeter circle. Done. Now I'll keep the scale here and I'll draw the line. So this is our 3 centimeter circle. Now next question is what? Next question number 2. Again we have to draw the circle. Second question says, draw a circle of any radius. Show one diameter, one radius and one chord on the circle. Now we have to draw a circle of any radius, and whenever we draw the circle, again and again we have to measure the point. Compass, the pencil and the pointer are in a straight, that is they are in the straight line. That again and again we have to observe. So now we are going to draw a circle, understood, of any measurement. So which measurement we will take? 2, 3, 4 we have drawn, yes or no? So we'll take 5 centimeter. This is our 5 centimeter. Now I will draw a point any of the place. I'll draw it here. Then I'll put my compass pointer here and I will draw the circle. See here, I am drawing it 5 centimeter circle. Understood? So I get the point here. So this is the radius, which is how much? I'll draw it with the sketch pen so that you will able to understand. This is the radius, 5 centimeter. Diameter means what? A line joining from one circumference to the another point with passing through the center. This is known as the diameter. Understood? So this is the radius. This is the diameter. Diameter is the double of the radius, so this is 10 centimeter. And chord means it is the line joining from one circumference to the another, but it is not passing through the center. It may pass through the center, but sometimes, like even the diameter is known as the chord. It simply means that any line which starts from the one circumference and ends at the another circumference are known as the chord. Understood? So whenever the radius is 5, diameter is 10. Radius 4, diameter will be double, that is 8. Radius is 2, diameter will be double, that is 4. Understood? So this is the one of the property of the circle. Problem set 29 says what? If the radius of a circle is 5 centimeter, we'll write here the radius is equals to 5 centimeter. What will be the diameter? What will be the diameter? The diameter is what? 5 into 2, which gives us 10 centimeter. So the answer is, the diameter of a circle is 10 centimeter. Understood? Now we'll do the second question. If the diameter of a circle is 6 centimeter, so diameter is how much? Diameter is equals to 6 centimeter. So the radius will be half of diameter. Yes or no? Half of diameter, that is 1/2 into 6. We have done the fraction. 2 1s are 3s are. So 3 centimeter. Understood? This is the double of the diameter is double of radius, and radius is half of diameter. Understood? Question number 3. Complete the following table by filling the blanks. So here first we are not going to draw the table. We are not going to draw the table. We are going to solve it like this. So radius is equals to 4 centimeter. Diameter we don't know. So diameter is equals to how much? Diameter is double of radius, that is 2 multiplied by radius. So 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8 centimeter. Understood? Second, radius is equals to question mark diameter is equals to 16 centimeter. So we will write here radius is what? Radius is half of diameter. Yes or no? So half into 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 8 centimeter. Third sum. In third sum, radius is how much? Radius is 9 centimeter and diameter is equals to question mark. So we will write here diameter is how much? Diameter is double of radius. So 2 into radius. So 2 into 9, which is equals to 2 9s are 18 centimeter. Last sum, radius is equals to question mark and diameter is equals to 22 centimeter. So we know that radius is what? Radius is half of diameter, which is half into 22. 2 1s are 2, 11s are 22. So radius is 11 centimeter.